Hey guys, Stranger Things here, back with another video on NFTs. Now I'm really busy staying plugged into the NFT space nowadays because I'm super bullish on them, but I will continue making videos for you guys as long as you continue to support this channel. Now the precursor to this video is that you already know about how cryptocurrencies work, how to set up your MetaMask and how to purchase an NFT, be it from the project's website, from secondary sales platforms such as Opensea and Wearable, or even directly from Contract. Anyway, right now, things are moving so fast. There's so many new people coming into this space. If you are 6 months old, you're already considered a veteran in NFTs. But all things considered, I just wanted to share the top NFT scams you have to be wary of. These are specifically pertaining to Ethereum NFTs as they have the largest liquidity out of all the different cryptocurrency NFTs, which is very important in the NFT space. Although my sharing can also apply to other types of NFTs like Solana NFTs. So in no particular order, number 1 on our list of scams are via direct messages or DMs for short. Both Discord and Twitter play a huge part in gaining NFT alpha. And because Discord doesn't stop people from having the same username except for the hash at the back of your username, which is a unique identifier, there could be scammers posing as official NFT project members to scam you into a stealth mint. These stealth mints are actually websites owned by the scammers, and you are not really minting the NFT. You are just transferring Ether into their pockets, even though the website may look similar to the authentic version, and there might be a mint button and it might look like you are actually minting. And the way to get around this is just to go into your notification settings and switch off all DMs in Discord. If you really must have the DMs enabled, just make sure you don't do the following. Don't click on links immediately for fear of missing out on minting. Don't reply to these messages asking for more details, and don't accept any friend requests. And most importantly, don't share the scammers link with your community, even if you are just informing them that this is a scam link, because some people might not read properly. The best thing to do is to straight out ignore it. The key takeaway here is really that founders will never ever DM you about any official website links or direct mint opportunities or promotional information. Now, another variant of DM scamming is, let's say a famous collector sends you a DM and says he really likes your NFT. You guys have a great conversation and he requests you to send him some Ether. Now, this should immediately set off some red flag alerts. Never ever do such trades and always stick to the official NFT platforms. I've also got some other variants of people sharing their wonderful crypto returns or telling me about wonderful software they have been using. All of this should be sounding alarms in your head. Now, moving on to number 2 on our list of scams. These are Discord announcement scams. These ones are really deadly. We have seen it happen to projects such as Jungle Freaks, BearX, Must Bytes, and many other projects, and it continues to be successful in cheating huge amounts of Ether. These hackers essentially use webhooks or other associated Discord hacks to infiltrate entire channels due to the weakest link in that Discord community. This could be from the founder or any of the moderators, and commonly cited cases include not having two-factor authentication enabled. The scammers would then go about on their fake early launch ruse again, but this time on the announcements channel, which makes it a lot more legitimate or seemingly legitimate, since those are generally only accessible to the project team members. So, not gonna lie, I actually fell for one of these scams because it came straight from the founding team's accounts, so I actually lost some Ether to a fake mint. I'm not gonna mention the project, but if you're curious, there's a bunch of Twitter accounts covering these high profile hacks, so you can have a look at those. I'll link some useful articles in the description as well. While the webhook hacks don't happen as often, they are especially deadly. So my advice here is to just never believe anyone. Not even if it's Gary Vee himself from V Friends Discord channel when he tells you he's doing some supposed stealth launch to reward community members who have been active in the channel. Don't believe it. Most NFT project teams now know about these scams, so they would usually try to announce the date beforehand. They would never DM users directly, and they would never make last minute changes. And if they do have to make such last minute changes due to unforeseen circumstances, the NFT mint dates are typically way further from the announcement date, so that skeptical users have the time to slowly analyze the situation and determine the legitimacy of such messages. Now, Next on our list of scams, number 3 are copycat project scams. The first thing is to make sure when you are buying from OpenSea, you are buying from the official project, which is usually indicated by the blue tick. Knowing where the blue tick is supposed to be is important, as some phony copycat projects will try to copy this. Note though that this doesn't apply for all projects, as some lesser known NFT collections may not have been verified by OpenSea yet, meaning even the official collection might not have the blue verification tick. Now to address this, the simplest way is usually to just locate the official links channel on the NFT project's Discord page and find the official links from there. Now, Google search is also not a 100% safe method of verifying the correct links, because there is some chance that the scam websites will show up in the search results. Another way to confirm the official project, besides the verified badge, is also to ensure the contract address matches the one listed on the official website. Okay, so we've covered quite a lot in this video. I know I mentioned some slightly technical stuff here, but I'll link some useful resources below that help me personally get started with NFTs, so that you can be more informed when you enter the NFT space as well. Now, I really think this space is gonna blow up, perhaps in 2022, perhaps earlier, perhaps later, who knows, right? We'll just have to wait and see. And after watching this video, if you are considering entering the NFT space, my video on Veve NFTs might be a good place to start, which I will link somewhere around this video. Also, if you found this video useful, do give it a like. I will be releasing a part 2 somewhere in the future, so subscribe if you don't want to miss that. I look forward to your feedback as always. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers!